Happy holidays. I am Chef Jolie and welcome to my channel. Now, I know the Foodie family is out there because y'all true to this and y'all ain't new to this, so welcome back.
Tell me now, are you hungry? Looking for something for your tummy? Well, look no further. This chef is what you cover. Cooking at home with Chef Jolie.
Y'all, this is the holiday episode of At Home with Chef Jolie, and we're about to celebrate. And what good celebration starts without a cocktail? What do you all think about a gingerbread martini for your Christmas brunch? That's what we're shaking up today. And I've already started. In my shaker, I have some Irish cream, use whatever kind you like. I have some vodka. I have vanilla extract, not the imitation, get some real vanilla. And I have some heavy cream. Now, what's gonna take it to that gingerbread level is this gingerbread simple syrup that you can make. In the description is gonna be the recipe, okay? So easy to make. And while we are talking about the description and all that, I gotta ask you, did you subscribe? Have you subscribed to the channel? Have you been commenting? Have you been liking? Have you been sharing? Or have you just been stealing my recipes? Don't do that. Sharing is caring and subscribing is what you need to do. Okay, so we're going in with 1 ounce and then a ½ ounce of our gingerbread simple syrup. It's so easy to make. It's some molasses in here. I have some dark brown sugar, some ground cloves. I have some ground ginger. Real easy, stuff you probably already got in your cabinet. So all that's in the shaker, and now I'm just gonna put it on ice. And y'all remember, when you're making cocktails, add the ice last so that it does not start to water down your cocktail before you're ready to enjoy it. So lots of ice. Now we're gonna shake it up. And make sure everything is in here so the gingerbread don't go flying all over the place. Okay, I think that's cold. Now we're going to strain it into our martini glass. There we go. Just like that. I'm telling you, and you could probably make a really good mocktail version of this. I think that you could, I would use like eggnog or something like that. And then the gingerbread simple syrup, or you could use some cold brew coffee situation, but it is the simple syrup, I'm telling you, that does it. Now I have this vodka infused whipped cream, honey, and this is dairy free. So it has some special instructions. I'm supposed to slap it like this. Then I'm supposed to shake it like this. And let's see if I can get it to go on here looking nice and pretty. If not, just pretend that it's nice and pretty because it's gonna taste good. That's the important part. Here we go. Okay, so now it's quality control time. I gotta see what I'm serving the people. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. You see, that is just so pretty. All of the cloves and all that good stuff. Okay, stop talking and drink. Let's try it. I'm telling you right now, run to the description down below and get this recipe just in time for Christmas brunch. Your gingerbread martini and use some eggnog if you want to make a mocktail version. So cheers to you and happy holidays.
Something for your tummy.